Welcome back to the show. You are watching Pree Dis. Please follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at Pree Dis Show. Now keep on the show rolling. Lime, yes, my good friends at Lime recently held that thing called a Street Football Challenge. Now, of course, we have highlights from the Portmore leg and the finals. Who was in the finals? We have Hillshire United and High Voltage. Who came out the winners? This is why you're going to watch right now and find out a little bit more about the Lime Street Football Challenge right here on Pree Dis.
We made it, but we did things our way. Gotta give thanks and praises each day. We hustle real hard so we control our future. Turn it up.
Like a beacon on the mountain, shining through like the rising sun. So shall it be for the faithful, the ones who never stop till the work is done. We grind cause the system does not favor the common man, but we shall reap the riches, plentiful like the grains of sand.
Tell me about the Street Football Challenge 2014.
Well, we were looking for an idea that could engage entire Jamaica around football leading into World Cup. What everybody playing Jamaica scrimmage. Yeah. So we decided to have a scrimmage, national scrimmage competition that we could reward and unearth talent. We know a whole ball out there, a whole ball thinks that them should have played for Jamaica and not play for Jamaica. So we have a unique tournament, national tournament. Every parish has a champion. 16 teams per parish that compete. $100,000 the champions get per parish. $1 million for the national champion. And that national champions represent Jamaica in the Guinness Street Football Regional Championship in Trinidad in June.
What is Ricardo Bibi Gardner doing here?
Well, we needed somebody who would represent the competition. And who better than Ricardo Gardner? Come from Harborview, Woolman's High School, humble beginnings, boss on the international stage, get a big contract.
Yeah.
All right now, we wanted to use him for everybody and all those players out there to aspire.
Yeah. Why Lime just think that they need to always give back? Why is Lime such a giving company?
We're the champions of value. You know, we were the first to bring $2.99 to bring the rates down to what it really should be for vice cars, for the average man to be able to make all the cars that they want, and the same car that he make it to him friend in Jamaica, he can make in the USA, in Canada, and the UK. So we really are just carrying that over. You know, giving our customers what they want, them love football, we give them that, we integrate with our customers and we give them value in each and every way.
I'm happy to be a part of it. I think it's something great that Lime is doing into the communities. I mean, give the community something different to look towards too. I mean, by enhancing football along with the entertainment also and giving them an opportunity at the same time to display their talent to the best of their ability.
We no quit when we are struggle, man, a fighter from we born. Why we have the answer from a hustle in me corner. Brook and touch the road, me no come in till dawn. So when me say send on, you better send it on. Screw them mother efforts, they will use we like a pawn. It's all about the money, no one that we are demand. Ain't looking for no trouble, but I years that are gone. So make we turn it on, the light in the sun.
Like a beacon on the mountain, shining through like the rising sun. So shall it be for the faithful, the ones who never stop till the work is done. We grind cause the system does not favor the common man, but we shall reap the riches.
Believe me, the winning was wonderful. We went out there and we do our best. One connection, high voltage. That's how we do it. Out the live.
Plentiful like the grains of sand, of sand, of sand, of sand, of sand, of
I got the spirit of a fighter, never ever quit. Want my future to be brighter. Tired of the shit, run with the politician. Them can none of them no fit. We have to look out for ourselves and defend our benefit. Yo, show me the light. I wanna see the light, brother. Show me the light. I wanna see the light.
Behind me, we have the new Superior store right here in Maypen, Clarendon. Just in case you weren't here for the launch, watch this clip right here on Pree Dis and learn everything about this new store.
At the top is just us. At the top is just us. You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just us. At the top is just us. the topic just us. You can't stop it just cause. Or if you can't stop it just hush. Yeah. Sit back on me and watch time pass off. What that? Are the big Benz blast off. Tell the wolf in sheep clothes take them mask off. Me no Kevin Hart but me have the last laugh. Now you see my house big with the grass off. Straight cake pop the champagne cock off. As me wait go through me gate me spend 100 G fast fast. Me can't bother with the small talk. Listen this. At the top it's just us. Or the topic just us. You can't stop it just cause.
A whole bunch of people. Tell me how you feeling about the turnout today.
Well, I'm feeling good, feeling overwhelmed.
And I realized Superior Pots had a store just up the road in the same vicinity. Why a bigger store just down the road?
Well, because it creates more opportunity to make money, more opportunity to please the people better in terms of parts, bikes, tires, you name it.
This has been the most recent opening. We just did Ocheras and now we're into Maypen expanding. And we're happy that we are progressing with more bikes, more tires, more parts. Now we've added Nissan to the line.
Tell me what the range of tires you guys offer, all of that.
Actually, we import and we make sure that we have quality tires at reasonable prices. Superior has always been known for making cost effectiveness, and as a result of that, we brought in our own brand now, Horizon brand. Other than that, customers may come in and want brands that they prefer to be used on the vehicle. We'll source it, we'll get it, and we even have in stock on most occasions. Apart from that, we also have all size tires. If you want a grader tire, we get it for you. We're doing batteries, we're doing a lot of batteries too. But right now, yes, we're going to give you the full 100. We've been working.
Talk to me about the loyalty card. I know nothing about that. But I know Superior always doing something good that the customers love. Just tell us about that.
Well, you know, in this time that we're living in, everything you buy, you want a discount. Yeah. But sometimes the sales rep might say, them can't discount this or whatever. And people has been asking for the loyalty card for years. And I'm so happy now that we have launched it and we just want people to come in and buy them. Because you pay only $1,000 and you get 10% off anything except for bikes. People always ask for stuff and we get calls for Nissan this and Nissan that, and then my boss, being the entrepreneur that he is, he says, you know, I really should go into this. You know, it seems like it will take off, and it has. We started in Kingston with the Tida parts, and then we come to Maypen now, and we're going into it bigger and better.
Well, the bikes that offer is very great, affordable prices, good bikes for both work and pleasure. We sell Zhejiang and Supra, that's Superior's brand.
Okay. My job entails getting the parts for the customers as soon as they want it, ensuring that they're satisfied, ensure that I do have stock in my system, and just to satisfy my customers. We have Tida parts already, so we're going to go wide now into the Nissan.
It is always a dream to know that you come to Maypen. You know, not knowing anybody here, come here, set up another store. The store now start to develop, bursting at the seams. We now have to force now to get a bigger place, and we hope to do a bigger and better business in Maypen to provide a good service for the people in Maypen and its environment. We're looking at to encompass Old Harbour, Four Pass, and all the things. We're centrally located right here at the stoplight at Glenmore Avenue and Manchester Avenue, just across the road from the Tiger Mart. It's one of the easiest routes. Coming off the highway, that's the road they will take to lead into Maypen, to avoid the traffic and get a smooth ride.
All right, Dwayne, what are you getting here today?
Well, I check the price of some things and shocks and so forth.
All right, why Superior Parts Limited?
Well, a Honda I drive, so I just come at the source, you know?
That was a grand opening of the Superior Parts Limited here in Clarendon. We're going for another commercial break, and this one is a final one. So when we get back, we have the real part of the show. So don't move a muscle. Pree Dis, soon forward.